Hi, I'm Kelly Doran, Strategic Marketing Lead in the Pharma Business Unit at AspenTech. We hope you can join us in Orlando this fall at the ISPE Annual Meeting and Expo, where we'll discuss how digital technologies are enabling the pharma industry, like others, to tackle the dual challenge of meeting the needs of a growing population in a way that is sustainable for future generations. As an integral component of Pharma 4.0, digitalization enables efficiencies at every step of the product lifecycle. And there is a groundswell of pharma manufacturers embracing these technologies to boost quality and resilience to address the needs of today and those of tomorrow. Connect with us at ISPE to hear how we can help accelerate your digital journey to drive operational excellence, increase speed to market, and improve global access to medicine.